Yes.
Okay, guys. So today I'm gonna be unboxing a giant cat plush, bigger than my grandma. And you'll see how big it is when I open it.
Oh, probably oh, geez, there's another box in the box. Interesting.
Box in the box in the box in the box.
That one we might need to get a scissors for.
Yeah.
Can you grab it's right behind you in that cup, Castle?
Yeah.
I know how to use it.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah,
Be careful,
you
you might cut your hand up.
Hey,
So right here.
this is dramatic.
Here, here, you hold the camera while I do the cutting.
Okay.
And then once I cut it, you can get in there. Because it's going to be like airtight. Like, it's going to be this like totally squished thing, then vacuum sealed. And then we're going to open it and it's going to like poof, grow like.
Grow like a weed.
Yeah.
Whoa. I almost said my new lead. My lead. You hold it.
Yep. I got this. Okay, here we go. Vacuum sealed 54-inch cat
53
plushie.
inch.
53-inch. Okay, you can't do that, buddy, because it's not going to come out. You got to pull it out.
There we go.
Meow. Yay. Soften your life, sweeten your heart. All right, let me cut that right there. You hold this camera.
Okay.
I got the scissors. I just need it. I don't want to cut the pillow.
Let's go, Kai. Kai, get out of the way.
Please.
I can't open it. There it comes.
Whoa, that's a big one.
A huge
Oh my
one.
gosh, she's so big.
All right,
How do you
give
hold
me
it?
the phone, and I hold this.
Whoa.
Shake it. Give it a minute, and it'll fluff up like a. It's got little bat wings or something. I don't know.
What are those?
He's taller.
As tall as you.
He's taller than me.
Yeah, he is. Turn him over so we can see his face.
Beep, beep.
Okay, and now we'll make another video.